everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Today I want to talk about the biggest prep you could possibly have, and that is your garden. Now, this is our smaller garden over here, where we have peppers, tomatoes, okra, eggplant, we have banana trees, fig trees, raspberries, our herb garden, we have zucchini, we have a potato patch over here, our corn, and our pumpkin patch. Now today, Sean and I kicked butt. And when I say kicked butt, I'm going to show you what we did. Now, in a previous video, I told you that we were expanding. And oh boy, did we ever. So this right here is our new big garden. This bad boy is 50 foot long. And how do I know it's 50 foot long? Let me tell you. Because the fencing that I bought was 50 foot long. So anyway, we tried to get up as much of the grass as we possibly could. And I think we did one hell of a job. But this right here is your biggest prep you could possibly ever do, is have your own vegetable garden. This will feed your family all year round. You can't ever get any better than this. So tomorrow, when Sean goes back to work, because he's only off Tuesday, Wednesdays, I'm going to be out here, and I've already got my bags of soil, my compost, my cow manure, everything's ready over there. And I'm going to be out here, and I'm going to be planting seeds. Because unfortunately, we have something that's coming to hit us, and we're right in the track. It is projected to hit us right here in the Tampa Bay area. Tropical Storm Isaias. So, I'd like to get my seeds in the ground before that happens. But, boy, did we really kick butt today, I'll tell you. We tried to get as much of this grass up as we possibly could, because this over here was full of grass, just like the rest of our lawn is. So I think we did pretty darn good, wouldn't you say? But tomorrow I'm going to be out here, and I'm going to be mixing in all of our good soil that we bought, along with our compost, and along with the cow manure. So I will be planting some major seeds out in this bad boy. Alright, I might just film tomorrow to show you what seeds I am planting tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to plant all of our seeds, and film all of that, because that's literally going to be like a 3-hour video, and who the hell wants to sit through that? But I will definitely be filming tomorrow and showing you what seeds we are planting. And that'll probably be like the gist of it. But anyway, I just wanted to catch you guys up on our newest addition to our preps. That is all. I love you. Stay safe. Keep prepping. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.